The mode of a data set is the data entry that occurs with the greatest frequency. There's a couple of rules for the mode. If no entry is repeated, then the data has no mode. It's also possible, though, for data to have more than one mode. So if two entries occur with the same greatest frequency, then each of those will be a mode, and the data set would be called bimodal. In the example that's given, the only repeated element here is the 397. There's two of them, and that's what makes it the mode. There's more of them than any other number. So what is the mode of 1, 2, and 3? There's no mode. This is because none of the data elements are repeated. But what about 1, 2, 2, 4? Here the mode is 2. That's because we have more 2's than any other digit. How about the mode of 1, 2, 3, and 4? Once again, there is no mode because we have no repetition. How about the numbers 9, 14, 16, 17, 11, 16, 11, and 12? Well, if you look closely, you'll see that there are two 16s. We also have two 11s. So this is actually going to be an example of what's called bimodal. And 11 and 16 are both the mode. What about this last one? 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. It's what's called trimodal. 8, 9, and 10 are the mode because they occur with the same greatest frequency of 2. Now, modes can be found for frequency distributions as well. In this table here, there were 34 responses of Democrat, 56 Republican responses, 21 other, and 9 did not respond. So if people were asked what is their political party affiliation, the frequency tells us how many people answered with that response. So according to the table here, since Republican has the greatest frequency, Republican is the mode.